Hello, everyone. Ready to practice English?
Yes, let's speak confidently.
It's fun every day.
Hello, nice to meet you. No, too formal. Hey, what's up? No, too casual. So, future husband? It's not like that. It's just coffee at an English cafe. That's called a date. You just panic. I'm scared about speaking English.
What would you like? Can I get?
Can I get one iced depression?
You mean espresso?
Yes. Espresso. Not depression.
To be fair, exams cause both.
Hi,
Adam,
Lina, professional embarrassment specialist.
perfect. I needed one of those in my life. Tonight's challenge, English-only conversations.
Question 1. What's your dream job? Oh, maybe content creator. Or teacher.
That's cool. What about you?
I want to travel and make documentaries.
In English?
Hopefully. My accent changes every 3 words. What's something you're afraid of?
Public speaking.
Really? You seem confident.
That's acting. Everyone gets nervous. You're actually funny when you make mistakes.
Oh, so I sound stupid.
What? No.
You keep laughing every time I speak.
I laugh because you're genuinely funny, not because your English is bad.
When I was younger, people laughed at my English too. Really? Yeah. So now I try to help people feel comfortable. I always translate in my head before speaking.
That sounds exhausting.
It is.
But tonight you stopped doing that.
I did?
Yeah.
You were just talking. You know, this was actually fun.
See? No overthinking.
Maybe English is easier when you stop being afraid.
Or when you find the right person to practice with.
Oh, second English cafe date? Only if you promise not to order depression again.
No promises. Hello. With practice comes confidence. Remember, you are improving every day, so make sure to subscribe and like for more videos.